I don't know about you, but I really enjoy using authentic text in my lessons. And as teachers, we're encouraged to do so. It really connects sort of the real world to what students are learning in the classroom and also gives examples of language that students would be using outside of the lesson. Check out this amazing tool called vocabkitchen.com, where you can check the level instantly of any text. This tool, Vocab Kitchen, is really good for checking the level of your text, and it's completely free to use. So I found a text that I wanted to use with my students. So I'm just going to copy and paste it in here. And it's about the Ice Hotel in Sweden. So my students are at an A2 level, they're adult learners, but I want to just check the level of this authentic text that I found. So you can see what words are at A2 and they're in green. We can see the B1 words in orange and so on with the colours. So luckily most of my words are A1, although I do have unique, which is above level, and of course words like completely, designs, experience, and so on. So here I can either choose to change those words, or perhaps I could just sort of pre-teach them or elicit the meaning from students after as well. You can also put the words into a table so you can see exactly how many mentions of each word there are as well, which is really useful for paraphrasing. We hope you enjoyed using this tool. For other tools like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.